Hey guys, welcome back to WildChild Adventures. It's Hong once again, and in today's video we will be installing the MetalCloak Rocklander hoop. Now this just came in a couple days ago, and it's right here. And we will also be installing the catwalk with it. So right now I have it opened. It's packaged very nicely so it doesn't get dinged in shipping. It is a solid piece. Should be a pretty quick. The only hard part is just trying to do this by myself. It does require two people, right? So all I have to do is just do some unscrewing. So I just have to unscrew these bolts or Torx. These are Torx on both sides, and I think I need to remove this little scoop there that doesn't really do anything, but it's just for looks, and should be good to go. But yeah, pretty straightforward. There's a bunch of screws right there that they use. I don't see any instructions, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty straightforward. So let's get that going, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. I have everything laid out, so I got the two end caps here, and these are the screws that will be replacing those Torx 40s and a bunch of washers that I'll be using. So it's pretty simple. The manual is online, so they don't provide any paper copies, and all I need to do is remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gotta leave this one in here, and repeat on the same side. All right, so I'm gonna be doing that and just zip these off quickly. Okay, let's do that on that side. The instruction says we need to, what does the instruction say? The instruction says okay, put the end caps on and then find a partner, but let's see if I can find someone to help me do this. But if not, should be fun. All right, let's get the end caps on. Okay. Whew. Doesn't it's gotta kind of smash it in. There we go. Okay. Alright, so these little nylon washers, they don't really fit in the hole. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to shave off a little bit so they can fit. So what I mean is, these guys don't fit in here right now. So, right, so just going to do a little bit of shaving so they fit in. And we'll get it going. But I'm not gonna bore you guys with me trying to shave off these little bits here. All right, be back shortly. So I got the hoop in, and it's definitely not a one-person job. I had to get my my dad to come out and give me a hand, and it is in. So I have it, you know, loosely screwed in on both sides. And now I'm just gonna apply anti-seize on the bolts. These are all stainless steel bolts, but yeah, I apply that in, and then we should be done. But yeah, definitely not a single, not for the single person. So I'm gonna slowly take each one out, and then just gonna apply anti-seize and screw it together, and then let's get the catwalk on. All right. Alright guys, so the first part is done. Sorry about the backlight. Let me see if it's a little bit better here, but yeah, it is installed. It is solid. Oh yeah. So yeah, so this is the catwalk right here, and it allows you to step on top if you want to grab things on the top there. Just done a quick unboxing of the catwalk, and gotta say, MetalCloak does pack it really good. Look at the packaging, guys. It is protected, definitely. Very impressed. All right, so here is. Can't do it with one hand. So we're gonna do it with one hand. All right. Whew. There she is. Hopefully, I don't need a second hand to help me with this one. Let's see if I can get this on quickly. So I got the catwalk in, but I had to take out the little hood scoop right there, so that took me a while to get out, and I had to clean up all the double-sided tape, so it took a while. It does take a little finagling, and it does take you might need two people. I did it by myself, but I got all the screws loosely fitted, and now I just have to add some more anti-seize on it on both sides, and then we are done. And she is looking great. Look at that. There's holes where you can add lights, so that will be coming in the future. It does come with a little antenna holder if you're still using the stock antenna, which just sort of clips into right here like this, and you just run your antenna through there so it doesn't get in the way. Pretty smart of MetalCloak to include this. Alright, so I'm just gonna button this up, and this project is done. Quick 2 hours or so. If you don't have as much crap as I did to clean up, then it'll probably be a little bit quicker, but that is pretty much it. So let me just do this quickly and show you guys the end results. So the hood loop and catwalk is complete. As you can see, she is right there, looking fine, looking almighty and ready for an adventure. All I have to do left is just clean up the anti-seize. I hate working with the anti-seize, it just makes a lot of mess, but I just got to clean that up. I wish the bolts were actually black so it does match with the rest of my setup here. But yeah, that's how it looks like. Let's go from this side. Again, a lot of anti-seize, but I can clean that up shortly. It looks like it's gonna downpour soon, so you can see the wind is coming in. Again, folks, it does require 2 people to get this done. The catwalk, you can do it by yourself. I did it by myself, so it was pretty quick. And that's pretty much it for this video. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.